Yawan jika bam yang plang festival kaban long ha ka atusan risau ha sau man glenti shoban poi tersan bela penya daga senjuk mau plang.
Meghalaya Youth Federation haringkatkan National Hinyautra People's Federation Mawshynrut Circle haka khat khandai tarik urisau arja apply kalau one yakran yo Executive Engineer PWD Nongstoin Division ban kentu ya katanat PWD ban Buh Speed Breaker haki bynta surok baya jan bat ki skul haka Shillong Mail jong National Highway kini ki arseng kila kedo bagi jaka ban Buh Speed Breaker kilong haporla senduli bat umden. Habakran sikilat patai kubor din kejingwan ya kendu kinong elam kila ong ban nakaliang ka office kan sim kia ya kanigamat.
Khat khandai tarik Oktober dan Julai nakaliang jongi di arseng ke MYF Mawshynrut Circle bat ke NHPF Mawshynrut Circle nilayo ban yakendu yo PWD Nongstoin Division ban Dawa ban Buh Speed Breaker no ïajan jong skul hapo ke surok National Highway jong ke Than Mawshynrut nomor ka jingbom don Speed Breaker ïajan jong skul ke abjingma bakrau yaki kena skul ki berdayat lenti ban late skul man kasngi pat kisnong ki badon kam ban Buh Speed Breaker ki long hasenduli warla umden pat nakaliang jong la kubur ba unsa siukhya halor kani kamat.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.